Hi everybody, this is Tracy Bookman, owner of Homestead Roofing, and welcome to today's weekly walk in the park where we take 3 minutes to answer your questions about roof repairs, roof replacements, and the insurance claim process. And today we're going to answer your question, what should I do if it hails again? Now it's a beautiful day in mid-May 2019, and bad weather is probably the furthest thing from anybody's mind, but weather patterns are shaping up and indicate that this could be a pretty wild year for storms. If we do get another hailstorm here in this area, what should you do? Well, let's first talk about what you should not do. There are a couple major mistakes that most homeowners make after a pretty big hailstorm. First one is calling the insurance company. Many people make the mistake of thinking, hey, we had a hailstorm, I better call my insurance company and have them come out and check to see if there's any damage. The reason that that's a mistake is because once you call the insurance company and ask them to send somebody out to look at your property, you have just filed a claim. Most people don't understand that. But you call, you ask them to send an adjuster out to inspect the property, and that files a claim in the system for your insurance company. The adjuster is coming out not to inspect your roof to see if there's any damage. Yes, he wants to know if there's any damage, but he's actually coming out to make an assessment of the cost of the damage that you know that you have on your property. So what that means is, if the adjuster comes out because you've called them and asked him to come look at your roof, if there's no damage, guess what? You still have a claim on your record, and yes, it still will count against you for the 1, 2, 3 strike kind of policy that most insurance companies have. If you have so many claims within a certain number of years, that will count against you big time. Another mistake that a lot of homeowners make is letting a door-to-door roofer get on your roof. I don't know if you knew this, but the Colorado Attorney General and the Department of Regulatory Agency recommends that Coloradans not let anybody in or on your house who has come knocking on your door. The reason that this is a big mistake, letting somebody up on your roof who's just come knocking on your door, is because that person really has one objective, and that is either to get you to file a claim so that he can sell you a roof, or she, or to get you to file a claim so that they can then set an appointment to have a salesman come over and sell you a roof. So keep that in mind when the guys are come knocking on your door, that that's their objective, is to sell you something. And you may not need a roof. So what should you do? Call your insurance agent and ask him or her if he can recommend a roofing contractor who will come inspect your roof. If you don't have an insurance agent, no problem. Ask some of your neighbors, ask family, friends, co-workers if they've used a roofing contractor who they like and trust, and have that person come over and inspect your roof. All roofing contractors in El Paso County will come inspect your roof and give you an evaluation of whether or not they think you should file a claim. But remember, the main point is you want to get a referral from somebody who trusts a roofing contractor who can come do that for you. You don't want to let the door-to-door guys do it. You don't want to let the phone solicitors do it, because then you have no frame of reference to know whether or not that person is trustworthy. I know that was really quick, down and dirty, but I hope that answers your question on what should I do if it hails again this year. If you've got questions that were unanswered by this video, please contact our office right up here at this phone number, 719-433-6991, and we'll help you through the process. You can also visit our website right down here, homesteadroofingcolorado.com. We've got a ton of information out there, lots of other videos, lots of education for homeowners. And if you liked this video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button up there and click the little bell icon, so that way you get notified when we have new videos. Be sure to leave a comment, especially if you've got questions that you would like us to answer on our weekly series. Put those in the comments section below, and we'll try to make a video based on your question. In the meantime, I'm Tracy Bookman, owner of Homestead Roofing, and we'll see you on our next weekly walk in the park.